Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you a tutorial that I made a snake game on Java. Okay, and let's go. In this tutorial I use the Eclipse IDE, so you can use the one you want. Maybe the NetBeans, but I very recommend that you need to use Eclipse. Yes, because this is on my tutorial, and something wrong will be happen uh, if you use another ID. Okay, so let's continue. We can create a new project. Java project, and then you create the name. Here I put the name that snake game, and okay, create the module. Okay, and yeah, I will remove this not necessary, and here I will create a class name the Java, the window game. And the window game I just extend of JFrame. A JFrame is a window on the Windows system, or some iOS, some OS like Apple, Mac, and yes, it just is a frame, a window like this window of the editor. Okay, so now I create the constructor method, the window game here, and in this I will set the size for the JFrame. I will set 400 pixel, and I will set the default close operation, and here I put the JFrame and exit on close. This line just close the whole of the program when you press the close button on the window, like this here. If you don't need you don't add this, you when you click this button, the whole program will not close. Okay, and now I will call set visible and put full here to visible the window, and we need an entry point for a Java program, so I will define an entry point method by this line publish static void main, and put some parameter here, and here I just call the window game, new window game here, and save it and run it. Okay, so now we have here the window of the game. Just easy, huh? Okay, and now I want to draw something on the window. You can override the method named pen The paint method is already on the JFrame and the JPanel and something like that, but you need to override to draw something different on the JFrame, on the window you want to make. Yeah, and here you can call super paint, and then you will draw something by call the G and draw the line. You can see here the first two parameter here is the first point with the coordination for x and y, and the last two is the yes, I'm sorry, the last two are the second point for second point of the line. So with 2 points you make a line, right? Easy. Okay, I can put 10 here and 10 here, and for the second point I will set the 300 and 200, and now I will run the program. You can see it. I just draw the line from the first point with 10 for x and 10 for y, and the second point here with the 300 for x and 200 for y here. Okay, so we need to remove this, and for this game I will create a symbol, so we don't need to use any image or something like that. We just draw by some basic shaper that the Java is support. Okay, and for the snake I will use the rectangle. Especially I will use a square for every part on the snake body. So let's draw a square. You can call the G here and call the draw rect here. With the rect you can see x and y. X and y are the represent for the top left of the rectangle, you know, the top left point of the rectangle. So here I will put 200 for x and 200 for y, and the width I will set for 50 and 50, maybe big. Alright, you can see here as I said before, I told that the first two parameter represent for the top left point here, and then you put the width here and the weight here for the rectangle. And because the width and the height is equally, so this rectangle is the square, okay, represent for every part of the body snake. Okay, oh, maybe it's too big. Okay, remove it. And for the snake board we will need to use I will need a matrix. with int and matrix equal new int. Sorry, we need to use the matrix with two-way. And for the row, I will put okay 20 element, and for the column I will put 20 column. Alright, and now I will draw the board by the matrix. Okay, and we need to use the look for a row from 0 and will less than the matrix. Yes, the matrix length, and row plus plus, and another loop for the column, and from 0 and less than the matrix length, and the column plus plus. And here I will draw the rectangle. Yes. Yes, first I need to define some constant. You can define the window width and okay, and the window height 40, and here I just put this 2, and I will put this to here, and below I will put the yeah, here just thinking we will draw the rectangle, right? So the first time we need to define the S we will draw, and okay, we need to define more parameter. That is the size of snap body, right? It will be equal the window width and the window width divided by 20. Of course, I will define something more. The matrix size put 20, and we put here and just here. So we need to define some constant here to easy change in the future, you know, because if we use this fixed number and we need to change something, we will change everywhere, we change a lot of, so we need to define this and we just change here. So everywhere we change. Okay, so here I will s equal the column and multiple with the matrix size. No, I'm sorry, the size of body. And yes, that's right. And y equal the round multiple with size of snake body. And now we just draw the rectangle with the s and the y and the side of snake body, side of snake body. Okay, save it and run it again. Okay, so now you can see here you have here the the window of game, but you can see, if you can see the window of the game, the width is not fit with the board because the outline of the window, you can see the shadow here, and the shadow is in the window which contain the side of the window. So in fact the real useful space here will less than the real size. Okay, so we need to increase the size by define something. I will define a bedding equal 20, no 50, right? And then I will put in here, I plot the padding here for the window side, and I will put in the X here. I will put the padding. Right. Okay, and run it again. Oh, sorry, I need to multiple the padding with 2 because we have two sides for the width on the left and the right, and for the top and the bottom with the window height. Okay, and now we have the board here. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's continue with the next part. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.